Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Asus portable high performance ExpertBook CX54 Chromebook Plus laptop. So friend, ExpertBook laptops give your business reliable, secure and manageable device, and Chromebook Plus laptop deliver incredible ease of use, effortless performance and AI powered tools. So friend, the Asus ExpertBook CX54 Chromebook Plus is precision engineered to provide a competitive edge for organization of all size. And friend, it will be comes with up to an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and 16 GB of fast, efficient LPDDR5X memory. The ExpertBook CX54 Chromebook Plus packs the hardware features needed to accelerate productivity. This modern cloud-first OS alongside the cutting-edge components empowers demanding apps and tasks to run quickly and smoothly so that workers can concentrate on getting on with business. It also packs a 512 GB PCI Express M.2 drive storage that has the speed and space needed to storage large files and keep workflow satisfying smooth. And the laptop's minimalistic frame helps showcase the bright and clear 14-inch 16 10 touchscreen display. It scrapes 2560 by 1600 resolution, provide superb clarity and detail, and with its 508 peak brightness, it offers vivid colors and excellent contrast for high reliability and trend. The ExpertBook CX54 Chromebook Plus makes it easy to connect via full workstation with its plentiful and modern port section. A pair of Thunderbolt 4 USB Type ports have an HDMI 2.1 enable the laptop to connect up to 3 4K external displays, and there is just the start of what you can do with the versatile Thunderbolt 4 ports. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.